Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable email tracking in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually come here to the top right and click on your profile icon. From here, I want you to click on Personal Settings. Now here, I want you to choose email from the top navigation bar, and you'll actually see email tracking. I want you to make sure this one is actually toggled on. Track, opens, and clicks. Okay, and then I want you to go ahead and save this. As you can see, settings updated successfully. Now what you can do is you can go to your dashboard or contacts. Just come to the top right, click on send email, and let's copy the link of our channel right here. And what we'll do, we'll go ahead and make sure this is toggled on. Track this email, okay, make sure it's toggled on, and then we can go ahead and add our link. So insert our link, there you go, and then we'll just write in any text, click on insert, and this will be trackable now. Just go ahead and send it over to any recipient, and that is how to enable email tracking in Freshsales.